you got? If you haven't got love.
Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today's video is another What Katie Did unboxing. If you haven't seen the previous ones, I will link them up above, but I got some fun little goodies that I thought I would share with you today because I know you guys love these videos. So let's get started. I have previously received many beautiful colored pieces of lingerie from What Katie Did. So this time I requested some peachy nudes because I don't have like really neutral lingerie or underwear to wear for shoots and modeling and things like that, and just like day-to-day wear under things that you don't want to be wearing like black or dark colored lingerie under. So I have a whole selection of peach pieces for you today. First up, we have this very cute 1940s style bra. I absolutely love this. As you guys know, I really love the sort of Art Deco style stitching that What Katie does, and they've got these on the cups. Once again, this is quite a different shaped cup, so I will show you in the cutaway how that looks because it sits quite differently. It is not wired and it does have some padding underneath at the bottom here, so I have a feeling it's going to be very comfortable. And they of course sent me some peach Harlow Knickers high-waisted briefs to go with them. So these are really lovely, and again have the power mesh stretch to them, so they kind of smooth out the lumps and the bumps, but they have a see-through bum, so it's a little bit cheeky, and a bit of a modesty panel here, lovely satin peach at the front. I love this color peach, rather than being like it is a peach rather than a straight up nude. It's just super classic with that ever so slight pinky tone to it, pinky orangey tone. It's super, super flattering, and I really like this particular color on my skin tone as well, so love, love, love. I'm usually not a big fan of 40s style bras, but I really love the shape of this. I feel it's very flattering, and I always like a high-waisted brief. You can't go wrong. They did also send me some tap panties or French knickers, which I love and have been waiting to receive from them, so of course I adore these. They also sent me some tip fillers or bullet bra tip fillers. I wear these basically every day. I have a set that I've been using forever that I didn't realize how old and dirty they were until I pulled these out of the box and put them next to each other. I'm not even gonna show you because it's embarrassing. So I'm very pleased to have some new ones. It just really keeps that sweater girl shape when you're wearing the bras. If you're quite busty, if you're not kind of between a cup, I'm a little bit between a cup, and also the distribution of the fat in my boobs is like a little bit more out to the side rather than the front, so I find these just balance out the shape really, really nicely. So would recommend if you're finding that you still don't quite have the sweater girl shape that you want when you wear the bras, tip fillers are the way to go. They also sent me a cincher. I have previously shown you this model just in the black in the video that I'll link up above here. You can never go wrong with a nude. I really like cinchers. I like the shape that it gives you. It's got a very wasp waist shape. I like that it stops on your hips, but then you've got the suspenders, so this is really nice. It also comes up high enough that it does stop you getting like a back fat roll happening between the waspy or the cincher and your bra strap, so I'm a big fan of these. But the thing that I am the most excited about is the Demi Corset that they sent me. This is the first corset that I've worn by What Katie Did, so I'm really excited to see what this is like, how it feels on, what the shape and silhouette is like. It's quite different to my other corsets. It has got all of the boning throughout, but then it has this waistband in the same way that their cinchers do. So I'm really interested to see what the shape looks like on. It's really beautifully finished. It is all power mesh in between rather than being a solid material, which I like. It means it's gonna breathe. So that might be a little bit better for summertime because I do find that my other corsets are quite hot. And it does have like that waistband bit is elastic, so it has got a little bit of give to it. So I find that really interesting. I'm really intrigued. And I'm just noticing it's all edged and everything as well. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's see what this is like on. Okay, I love the silhouette of this. I think it is stunning, super snatched wasp waist. And like I predicted, the fact that there's some stretch to this means that when you breathe, it is far more comfortable than other solid style corsets I've worn. I really like it. And I also just think the fit of this works a bit better for me, particularly through the hips, because I am quite hippie and have quite the booty, so love. So as always, guys, everything that I've showed you in this video is linked down below. They are affiliate links. That just means it's another way to support my channel. It doesn't cost you guys any extra to shop via the affiliate links. It just gives me a little bit of commission if you'd like to give back. I literally wear What Katie Did lingerie every day, so I'm very happy to be suggesting it to you guys, and I'm confident that the pieces are really good quality because I've literally worn all of my pieces forever and they still are going. So if you want more of a review video, I will link that video up above as well. These unboxings, obviously I'm getting new pieces all the time from them, so I want to share them with you guys, but I do go into the details of why I really love this brand in the video up above. And guys, I have a little discount code for you, of course, so don't forget to use that when you check out. So that's the video, guys. Short and sweet, but I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. That really helps my channel out. I also have a Patreon that you can check out. I have exclusive content over there, so I put out a video every month. There's also curated vintage finds, behind the scenes, and we have a monthly movie club where we watch an old movie together and then discuss in a video chat, and plenty of other perks. You can of course come and follow me on my Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!